Presenting the Bajaj Splendora water heater in white color. This 3-liter water heater is designed with ABS outer body, stainless steel tank and copper heating element that ensures a longer life. It is suitable for 6 bar pressure. The water heater features weld-free joints in the outer metal body and it comes with a neon indicator for heating and on function. It also comes with fire retardant cable, making it safe to use.